motivational and intentional strategies incorporated into learning designs. What does that mean, motivational and intentional strategies?
Okay, that's a good point. Now, let's just take one thing. Is if you go into a kind of classroom and you just walk in and you say, today we're going to look at Newton's second law of motion, and it involves some, you know, the very nature of the presentation style, it's drab, it's dull. If you go in with something that gets attention, you know, some kind of story, some statistic that's relevant and interesting or even shocking, but it's the ability to get attention, the way you look at students, the use of humour, you know, stories, activity, do something different. Okay, we know in psychology that if you do things that are novel, you're likely to get attention. Okay? So it's about getting attention, and the motivational bit is to make the learning more interesting. You know, one of the problems with a lot of lecturing, it's just dull slide after slide, as opposed to you know, showing this again. The technology's good. You know, showing some really interesting video clip on something. Showing a discussion between two people with different perspectives on something that, you know, really challenges some things. Getting the students to solve some real problems that covers what you want and is interesting in their lives. So it's trying to make that learning experience something that is in some way intrinsically motivating, that the students can see meaning in it, they can engage in it, and that's a real challenge in learning design to do that. And that's something that you know, we can look at further down the line. How do you make your learning, your teaching, the learning experience more interesting? And that's the, you know, the essence of creative teaching. That's, you know, a challenging thing to do, but it can be done, and we can look at some examples of that later.